So guess we are leaving church. It was amazing today. But guess what we're gonna go home and do? We're gonna go home and make some curry aloo with egg and rice, right, Sarah?
Yay!
All you want curry aloo and egg?
No, thank you.
Okay. So I'm gonna put Papa no food.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Okay, Mom. What you doing?
I can boil egg.
For what?
For curry aloo and egg.
For egg curry and potatoes?
Yes.
Looks so good.
That's
so
good
excited.
Food. Yes, good food. Then that ugly KFC, all I want to eat.
My KFC is coming just now.
nasty.
It's gonna be so
That's
good.
nasty.
So good.
KFC is not healthy. Curry aloo and egg is healthy.
No, it's not.
Yes.
No, it's not.
Yes.
Tastes like butt.
So guys, as I mentioned, we're going to be making curry aloo. And we're going to make some curry body too. But that's how Sunday me. But watch what these people here are eating. Which is not good for you. KFC. I am not going to eat that, guys.
This is KFC, straight from Trinidad.
No, that's not Trinidad KFC. Trinidad KFC, I heard tastes better. I just don't know how it tastes. But it's been a long time. Right, Sarah? Yeah, we have watched.
As soon as the camera cuts out, Mom's gonna go.
That's a big fat lie. I am not going to eat that KFC. I promise I am not going to eat this KFC. I want some curry aloo and egg and rice with some nice salad on the side with some hot pepper. Look at this stuff in the mouth.
Listen, this is better than Trinidad KFC, okay?
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Don't let Pastor J hear you say that.
Pastor J, you heard what I said, right? This is better than Trinidad KFC because this is Guyana KFC.
This is not Guyana KFC, it's American KFC. So look at the size of this potato. So we're gonna eat some nice, you know what, I won't say potato, some nice curry aloo today. But check out these people are eating here. Look at that. Oh my goodness. They have tamari hot sauce here. Look at this girl. Why you guys can eat some nice curry aloo? Why all I couldn't wait for that? What is the problem?
We are waiting. We're going to have some curry aloo.
You gonna eat some curry aloo?
But in the meanwhile, this is what makes it Guyanese fried chicken. This is Guyanese hot sauce. Guyanese Kentucky.
I must say, Tamari restaurant have the best hot sauce, right? Right, Leah? Yeah? You want hot sauce? You sure? Hey, we're blocking your face. Look, guys, she don't want to see how much food she eats and watch. Look at this big chicken leg. And she hide it from the camera because she friends has been taking snapshot of she face. So she hide it from the camera now.
We are back. What you doing there, baby?
So I'm mixing a little curry paste here to make this curry aloo.
Curry paste to make
I put
curry
a little
aloo.
masala in there. I put curry powder,
So how much curry powder you put?
a little bit.
How much masala?
That's some cumin there.
Dang, girl, you got that eyeballing thing, yes?
Yes, I eyeball it. And we have some saffron. Yeah. So this is the curry paste here. I'm gonna be mixing the curry powder. And I learned this trick from my Guyanese in-laws. They put fresh seasoning and you mix it up. See that?
So you're not making curry egg, you're making egg curry?
No, I'm making curry egg.
No, because that's a Guyanese recipe.
It's the same thing.
It ain't the same thing. Trinidadian people don't put seasoning in their curry. So this is, guys, this is Guyanese egg curry, not curry egg curry.
Curry egg.
No. We egg in the curry.
No, we're curry in the egg.
Alright, let's see what we got going on. Ooh, the egg them are boiled down now. Them egg just gonna get soft, man.
No, it's not gonna get soft. So we had Dave peeling the egg.
Yes.
And what I'm about to do is throw some curry peel leaf into the pot. All right, check it out. So we're gonna put some onion, garlic, and pepper in here. Guys, I don't usually cook with pepper. No, don't usually. I don't cook with pepper, but just because they stuff their face with the KFC, I'm gonna be eating the curry aloo.
Hi, Dad.
Hey, what's up?
What you doing?
I'm still peeling the egg because, as you guys know, we are gonna egg the curry just now. So stay tuned. If you guys want the recipe, let me know. This is one of your mother's best favorite food. She liked curry egg, but today we are actually gonna do the Guyanese style. We're gonna egg the curry. We're not gonna curry the egg.
Okay.
Cool.
Sounds excellent.
Yeah, I don't know why Trinidadian people always got funny names for things. Cascadu. Cascadu, that's not Cascadu, it's Hassa. Cascadu, Hassa, Hassa, Cascadu. Bora and Bori. Bora sounds a lot better. Bori sounds like Godi. And for Guyanese people, that means something totally different.
Guess what, guys? He's talking pure fraud.
Listen, for Guyanese people,
No.
Godi means something different.
So 22 years, and guess what he be saying? He want fried body and aloo, and he want cascadu. He just talking stupidness. He just
No.
yes. He don't ever say Hassan.
I say I want body fried. I didn't say I want fried body. I say I want body fried.
That's a lie, guys. That's a lie.
Guyanese people, stand up for yourself. Don't let these Trinidadian people trick you into saying cascadu. Say hassa. Stand up for yourself. Guyanese power.
What you doing?
Oh, I'm cutting green mango. This is gonna be featuring the next video we have coming out. It's gonna be a mango, not mango curry, fish curry with mango. But you see this? Look, $1 for a mango. In Guyana, you know, we just get this and we just throw it. We just pelt people with this.
What?
Why you?
No, I'm just kidding. But look, $1 for one mango. In Guyana, this thing a waste. Look how big it is. Is it? So here, well, we can become an import export. So if anybody got mango in Guyana, hit me up. Let me know.
Yeah,
Let
but
me
those
import some
mangoes, they're
mango.
actually in the store. It's like about $5-6 for one.
The big ones, right?
Yeah, but not, a little bigger than that. Yeah.
Oh, look, this is a $6 mango. $6 mango.
The mango rotten.
Yep. So guys, if you got mango in Guyana, hit me up. Let me import some mangoes. Thank you. Alright guys, so the secret to curry egg, this is a Guyanese secret that nobody else knows. We first gotta fry the egg. I'm teaching this Trinidadian girl. So now this video is actually Guyanese husband teaching Trini girl how to cook egg curry.
Curry egg.
No, we cooking egg curry. Well look, so this, you know, you gotta jump back, you know? You put it and you jump back. They call this a jump back.
Alright.
So when it starts doing that, you can hold up a tissue like this. And you move the egg. You gotta move the egg.
Oh.
Yeah, flatter, you pitch, jump back.
And what are my eyes?
That's what the curry aloo is. What is curry aloo?
Josh, move.
Check it out. Looking good. Alright.
So you move the egg like this, you see? One at a time.
So how's it going?
Alright guys, this part right here is very critical. The egg has to get nice and brown on each side.
Yeah,
So you have to, this is what we call crispy egg. I know we are professional chefs. I graduated from the University of Guyana of cooking by leg and fried plantain.
Ew.
I know we make it look easy, but listen, If we can do it, so can you.
Any update on the potato?
Yeah, it's looking good. Check out that potato. That aloo. Aloo walking down good there, man.
You guys know what that is for, right?
To go in my belly.
What is it for?
To go in my belly.
Guyana, to stretch the curry, because Guyanese people always have like 10 children. So in the household, we use potato for everything. That's why I have to use a lot of potato, because I pick up a Trinidadian lady with 3 kids.
Hey, kids.
And when you do that, you gotta cook. You see, we making for each one of them 1 egg, and you see the size of the potato. Look, how much potato do you think they're getting?
Each one. I'm not eating an egg.
That's true. We're saving some potato for you.
Oh my gosh. So guys, I want to know who puts potato, aloo in their duck. I want to find that out, because guess what? I heard that Trinidadian people don't do that. I have done that, and let me tell you, curry duck with potato is really, really good. Okay? It's master. Seriously, Dave, so Guyana have a university for just boiled egg?
Yes, it's called G's Kitchen.
Oh yeah? So, yeah?
Guys, we're teaching Sarah how to boil egg here. Come, Sarah, come over here. We're teaching you how to cook egg. Come. If I don't teach this child how to cook, what will happen? Tell me, she has to at least know how to cook, right? So come on.
Fried egg.
So you gotta turn it.
Hey, be careful. Pass shield on, she feels something up here. I should get burned with that oil. Pass shield. Yeah.
Big question.
A bib. Take on that one, sir.
You're burning the egg.
You burning the egg?
We are failures as parents.
No. Who burns the egg, sir?
Our child can't even boil an egg.
This is not boiling.
I mean fried egg, sorry. That's what they teach us at the university.
How to burn the egg?
Burn egg. We can take them out now.
You alright, sir?
All of them?
Yeah. Careful
You
now.
got this. You can do this, child. I know you can.
We're cheering you on.
Yeah, come on, child. You can fry the egg.
So another 6 months of training and you'll be a good housewife.
So accomplished.
Yes, you see, you're gonna graduate from the University of Fry Egg, not boiled egg. She come from a long tradition of cooking family. So I graduate from Boiled Egg University. She will graduate from Fry Egg University.
Alright, check it out, guys. Yum. Check it out, guys. So I have him prepping for the week for me. Cut up some body here to make some body with aloo.
You gotta stretch the body.
Ew.
Babe!
I'm just saying. You see? Okay, you see how weird it sounds? But guess how this sounds? We gotta stretch the bora. See how better that sounds?
So your father have no sense, right? No sense whatsoever. I know Dolly gonna like this video.
$90.
Yeah. Right, sir? Dear Dolly gonna like this video.
Hi, Auntie Dolly. This one is dedicated to you, okay? But how you stretch it with potato? You guys just always think bad. Look, this is what we call the body stretcher. Potato. Oh, you dirty man. Don't think like that. All right, guys. The best part right here. Here is where the magic happens. You have to know exactly when to put the egg, and you have to know how to put it too. The water has to be boiling at 350 degrees, and then you drop the egg easy, but you gotta space them out, you know?
Yes,
You can't just drop the egg in the pot.
And you have to do it with love, okay, guys?
Yes. That's the main ingredient,
Love.
with love.
Yes.
So
Looking
you see?
good.
So now you boil the egg.
The egg done boil.
Oh, you boil them again.
Have a looking, guys. And that is gonna taste master.
I wish you guys could taste this. I wish you guys could smell this right now. Oh man. Now, I am so proud of my wife because my house finally smelled like a Guyanese house.
Again, I think every week is the house smell.
Now even my hair and my curry, everything smell like a Guyanese house. See, now I finally have a Guyanese house.
He always had a guy